Hi! Today we'll make a beautiful spring flower, a crepe paper tulip. Asiasiowo. First, we need a strip of crepe paper. Stretch it. Fold it about 3 cm from the edge. And then twist it. Glue it inside the petal. Do the same on the other side. We need 3 such petals. Now make 3 similar petals out of longer strips. Cut the green strip and the leaf. Bend the floral wire to form the spiral. Attach 3 small petals. And 3 big ones between them. Wrap the wire with several layers of tissue paper to make the stem more attractive. Then wrap it with a strip of crepe paper and add a leaf. And the tulip is done. Check out my channel for other handmade flowers. See you soon!